Nag-prefect ng Congregation of Evangelization sa Takabot na Vatican. Ayan katagin puli, nag-sngewlem, nag-English, nag-kasi, bawal na Secretary of State Vatican. Ayan katagin puli, ka-sngewlem, yung Apostolic Nuncio na New Delhi. Iniwa at jingtren na upadar lang si Padar Matthew to para khlad no, but akabar kichaka ke Archbishop khlad no, Reverend Father Paulson, Badan Batray at Archdiocese of Auckland. Nakaliang yung Catholic Religious of India yung Sakran ni Mother Philomena Matthew, pwede ng NSMHC. Nakaliang di Sister Visitation, kapag yung Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco, BSDB, yung Reverend Sister Martha Masunting. Nakabanta ki parabagay parapag ki Bamday nakabalang Catholic, mamikmat ng Northeast India Christian Council yung Sakran ni Reverend Dr. Ram Liana. Nakaliang dari parabagay parapag Pagkisunjuk parapag the Catholic Association Sunjuk Isang Warbah, Sunjuk Isang Kantay, di SAC Bayang parapag Isang Gibadan Imlah Manaya parapag ingin dantang iwi bangkat berkata ingin iba jing doh bang ini dolang inro ada jing tren ni iba bensan. Archbishop Dominic Jala ini Archbishop di Bandar akademiknya yang berkontaksi berkontak untuk Archbishop dan Rohati, Bishop Archbishop John Office for Clergy and Religious Dialogue. Ada yang katakan dia register kepada Archbishop Dominic dan kalian Diocese of Longsong akabai Archbishop Jala Apostolic Administrator. Sa iyo ang register ay Father Elias Vicar General ng Tuid. Nakalian kami pada training sa iyo register ay Father Elias Jala. Nakalian sa Salesian Congregation ng iyo register ay Father Paul Lincoln. Nagtagin sa iyo register ng ibahayi magtraining ni Aldobin Jala. Maraming katagin iyo register ng pada kuwantan ng USA Reverend Father Thomas Archdiocese of Auckland, Archbishop Dominic Jala. Ada yang katakan dia artikel dari Mother Philomena Matthew dari MSMH Senior General. So, on behalf of the Catholic Religious of India, kami berterima kasih kepada yang berperan. Info Sister Martha Masunting dan Sister of Don Bosco. Dan kalian di Parlimen Korban di Balang sudah hasilkan notis merupakan Secretary of Reverend Dr. Ram Liana Golong Secretary of the Northeast Indian Christian Council. Dan kalian kami di paidbah merupakan di Rengai juga yang kalian ada di paidbah lyngdoh Golong Christian Catholic Association dan cathedral yang disunjuk di Warbah di Secretary bagi SCC banyak bantuan di sini sebelum kita berada di sini. Itu adalah lemari bang by wall and rock. We will have the band who will be playing the numbers outside and the drum will not be the numbers here. Jadi seperti ini dilakukan dalam emas dan saat akomodasi saja dari ini kemudian dalam ini pada
We miss a great leader and inspirer. May God give you eternal rest.
A man of culture, original in his intuitions and audacious in his practices. A man who constantly exuded optimism and made light of his sufferings, ever wanting to accomplish more. Archbishop Dominic Jala was an excellent student and learner. He had a powerful memory and a comprehending and grasping ability, and devoted quality time all through his life to reading, study of Shalom, Archdiocese from this earthly life to his heavenly home. In this prayerful moment and profound sadness, we are witnessing the passing of an era, one of the noblest souls that the Salesian congregation has given to the world, to the church, especially to the youth. He was indeed the Salesian consecrated life comes to its highest fulfillment. When he reaches the hour of death, he enters fully into Christ's Paschal mystery. Dear brothers and sisters in Christ Jesus, Wallah, ai hidup secara tentang alam, pak kajar berbeda, tentang.
Jing Lyngdoh have spoken on behalf of the faithful. In fact, in the past many days, we are so much touched by the way our people have done and helped us. And indeed, we are very, very grateful to them. And this gesture really touched all of us. Thank you, Jing Lyngdoh. Now I request Shri Vincent H. Jala, Member of the Parliament, to speak to us.
Lyngdoh sosat, Lyngdoh baro, rabangibig baro. Manitip, ikajingyab jong ni Archbishop Dominic Jala tarawai lagi, nagpafon yay para Pius at para John Madur. Ong atip, ikajingyab hari naway, panlam niya kamet, kamday kabajan. Dari Father Rongto, Nidon Father Paulson, Nidon Father Johnson, perlok beye dari Archbishop. Asrai kila pandang. Ada nantang lalik sekali na po hadali. Adon meeting at lang po ay pagkakanalay. Menmet ako ni Barnabas, badi Father Richard, Father John Madur dong ba kila kanalay. Hay po ay batak tentang ngahapan disay. Nah satu kami ke baca, ngambil kisah, ngambil kontak, hei beidon, mereka mati, pakai jinduai, kong kirumik, baru kami jalan tam baru kami nois, kita berkat pernah lagi. Alayo kan, aku arkan tak ban, aku berkorban poy Amerika, alafoni pada Johnson, pada Paulson. Ay ban here ka flight from Antique ay yung one way po San Francisco. Dan bo ipulok berat nagling-giling. Malapoy hakakatsan trik. Prabe jim step po San Francisco. Halunti ka pa na yen. Madang check-in ka flight. Alakran yung ambassador jong ka Amerika po Washington. Malafon sa Secretary Consulate General jang ka Embassy po San Francisco bat kaleng-kaleng nasungo yung play para paning gijinja gijinge ibabon ano yung ilalakon ng kuway yakamet jong i-Archbishop hamni dakipasok ifada porson ni naong baru por kesimpor kuma artio banwan ra ekamet nabar jong kamtam na po USA sa po India ndengong em pada induai pagkajigarap ka jong pi in plan baru sisni ifada Paulson ka Father Johnson nga ngiyasong klem tiak klem dia plan ngia phone keleng-keleng aka next day kata kumot aka khandreu trik nyau baje mesti pilami diyeng nongkong ilik sejaka kaba ka register yang kata city police yang sheriff ko Amerika ya po yang tu tang sibir rumdon ikpulit dilawang here's the report is ready yeah sorry layo itu report ngara kejenge hantei gong ba banongkong ni don kam gadi the passport nimlap sa ika passport yang Bishop kasan. Andai, nagipon ipulit dilewat maki sipang ni para Paulson ang baway ka passport kalayo nasa ukumen. Ada nang tangilik borok lain saka-saka begitu ikakali tindapat kakali kala jat pray hadubang ngam suhu hadub buruk kamat jang Bishop kadang long kumukalong mentah. Andai bang akali ke kulit aku nu berkomi yang kawai ketika syok kawai ketika syok nama ba kata Yohan kata Ibrahim kata apa sisi asli lamba kejirap jong chief minister jongi ngadon kam kiri susus ke bobon ban pelut ban ngadon kam kiri sa ke bobon apa Amerika ban mandra ikamat ala phone ko keleng nasiongo Archbishop Mr. Phone chief minister kondat ong pe I need you very badly sim ko phone apa taka WhatsApp tang sang ni la phone ni ala ban mandra kini kamat nampa kecirap yo chief minister di Italy ada yang dalam tanggung kuyon bongare magui kisah daripada Paulson pada Johnson ini Kimei yang dapat amazing energy pada Paulson unang phone keleng pada Johnson unangnya kali keleng nado step hado met ado khat RCBJ kata kene kejinsia sebab taja ini kalau bahapa ni buat ditiar kita kok kali nongtong nang sak nilai kesaksi jong bishop jong Archbishop bar nilap yakum kepu beklong bere balai isap ke mobile jong iPad jong bar laptop entah apa napa ini lawat saka senduk jong ngandelin ki sitio orang senduk pahe dari ngap pelan tu ngawai kadar Paulson hei senduk jong bishop balik senduk bishop buat hantar ikut ke bobon baik pulih hakatin Greek hakatin Italy hakatin ke bobon ifai bobon gini ki envelope ki brew ki ai iban duai namata zaki baru itu yang aku naik si padar lakukan si padar jom ladur pan pendep di silwai itu ba ai jeng dai apo alai kentang hadin bagi lagu lu ikut Islam labiang lu ki report nadong hadong Ifon support India, bangilong ready kikot Islam. Ini the booking. Yang ke booking ke support ke South ni. Hadir ke jia keren. Bat ki Consulate General jong ke San Francisco. Yang inle lecis ni kamat ke di bandar. Asal boleh lomba ke jing dua itu kibaro. Pangimpai berkat kamat tiap kan poy yang ni haka apa kering. Lapoy haki abuk entah ke jing nanti bat kamat tiap jangi Archbishop ni jangi iba kadang ke miracle hakanu berkom bangila kon pendek di kam jangi abangi pak kamat tiap nanti kinong pak kamat tiap nanti kinong song kamat tiap ong ba kala bandon ke jing namar kala di flight kala bandon ke jing kula ka face jangi le ni hang nanti reda Sosorong orang mendawan hang ni jika ku jong boleh, disungguh jong boleh. Bahayin hasem i kematian. Ifada John Matur bat i doktor ki sister na posret i kematian pakalang tek ko mengipak nanti. Baru doktor kom apa pak nanti dawan sini apan sina. Ini ke baru kalau lomba ke jingduai, lomba ke jingku jong i Archbishop Dominic Jala boleh nanti. Aiba jing sngewlem jonga kan bahing hasam ke archdiocese baro boy diocese longstoin bat ki para bagi baro jonga balang Katolik hari long kisi jaita sini oblay indon kan bat di Archbishop nganget sem ba indon bat oblay bat ki angel hajrom oblay sibon bat napa kajing jongu kangtan ye bahing baro ai ban sen jong Archbishop kan don bat oblay.
When we got the news of the death of the Archbishop, all that we want is that we want him to be back home. That's what we were praying, that's what we were doing, and definitely Marvin Simper has done his part to do this. And on behalf of all of us, we wish to say thank you to you for all that you have done to bring back the body of the Archbishop back to the diocese.
Decree very soon, we'll give chance to everybody. Please respect and go slowly. All will get the chance.
niat bagi pada kasih serta hadir bagi jinglen Indonesia. Coba berkorban.
Jesus, divine healer of our soul and body, we come to you with humble submission of mind, will, and heart. We humbly ask your pardon and mercy for all our sins and offenses.
May Barapati Pan Ya Kibayap to I Chicken Pam Chukun Ya Archbishop Dominic Jala, Muhammad Jogi, Snam his name.
Jesus, divine healer of our soul and body, we come to you with humble submission of mind, will and heart. We humbly ask your pardon and mercy for all our sins and offenses.
May the souls of Archbishop Dominic Jala enjoy the peace of saints. May the heavenly home be his, where he will meet his dear parents, loved ones, friends, and welfares of all before him. They should honor.
Lord, give us your love.
Loving Jesus, we entrust into your hands the soul of our beloved Archbishop Dominic Jala. We believe that our beloved Archbishop is our God of good heart. He leads the race. He sets the pace. May we now listen to the crown.
After that, we will give chance to everybody. We are not being close fast. We are giving chance to everybody who can go on your own, because we are not going to close the grave now. You will give chance to everybody. So please don't mind. So
syak yang mati maniba tadinya kita napo nakaliang jong kakutuk dan nakani kami ke Bandung si Bishop iki baramangi subhawat dia ako ki junti nakliang conga sungba kecing du nong kabakra mengidu ya i pam sim cingi ban kalong ru ba sung sik thang ba nolo ba i khlad shari nwe te i hap ban shu bu tang kecing duai namal ba ublei ula bentai i ba enlet
kowe te gede jing du kabakra hi yang i kabalang bro kowe bangi lado ini Archbishop ngidap da kejung sosi hi kum mai ingi myo shu hi kata dai kowe hi yang i pai kristan mo
kicing du nong taya baro hi namar ba ini Archbishop ong ide breu balong ma kum inong peniasuk wat iki balang ndei tang ya ka balang Katolik ya kibalang kibalang Kristen baro hi i kwa ya kicing peniasuk teh Bishop bat hangaru menakane ba por badang yap udon kupar iwan banduai nga iyang sekaliang kamon ngan kaliang kadiang habi iyang banduai iduai ya kecing cak tat ni kada susong dor hatu kata-kata kecing duai cong iong ba iladu no ya unong yalam cong ke state bat iladu no ya ureu krau ureu khamat uba yarap yang iki red pat ki nong yalam trong konot is ten daladep nong tu nga ai khoble ye Archbishop idwai ya kecing cak that bam cukut jong i speaker jong i don ko paroi nga sngu kendit tang suyo bai ngalayo sngu bai la khlad no tengah sngu kendit beran-beran hingga kum kata kecing sngewlem tengah wan ken hi Archbishop ngasiem ba ubreu ba sngeurit hadu kata-kata ubom ken yakino kino ki ceniam yakino kino ki breu ki baduk ki basuk ki reu kentei ki reu khna ibalong sisur sidur naphang bete ilong ru uba cemnut bat uba sngeurit hadu kata-kata ladangi kendu halanti ikloi ban ai khublei bat habangi ya kendo i kicing kum nakaliang congar i Archbishop nakapor sikapor iset ai kicing sngu tenat ngin ban ya keren ban ya rap iong waju sngu do cingkermen lada pilong kireu kenteiru ngi sngu ublay unyarap ublay ong ngalong ublay jong ki konsuet ublay jong ki rew kentay te nga siya mi Archbishop nakapor sa kapor te ndai badu no tang kabalang Katolik ndai ka ilong ru unong uba hakmat tam jong ka North East barok kawai ndai badu tang Katolik wat barok khoj ngi ki badon hapo North East ngi kecinduk ka bakrau ken nga tengah siam kumta te ya ki badang sandang yeng ru ki badang se ihikayak akor kuburom te kum mai te ngimyo syu tang mga tharai maihin nang yasat ba dawei pat hakacaka chong Archbishop unsa mi biangken uban bichli nakabanta chong te tangkatahi ngaro nga suong ba ublay unsa panmi biangken nga wala dangamlong Katolik ro imsim tho em ngam sim dei Katolik tang ba nga snguchan ba imsim tiet te tang kita Katolik icet lot na phang ya ki ba sngurit ya ki balong Kristan bat idei ro iba penyesuk ya barokhot ba imdon kata kacing persyaniam yano katakin kacing ikenduk jangan